Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Truth Be Told TV Pearl Queen, and I'm also Noodle Bay June. This chicken noodle soup featuring Becky G from JHOPE, and I'm gonna be doing this reaction. It's been out for about a day now, and I haven't done anything. I've been busy, so yeah, it's been a good little long time since I've been on YouTube and made a YouTube video. So I want you guys to comment, like, and subscribe, because I would appreciate it if you guys do. And I would appreciate it if you guys love on me like I love on y'all, okay? Hope you like my hair. Woo! Wait a minute. You know, this is me. I heard of the chicken noodle soup from the one back in 2006 from Harlem. I do remember that one. Yeah, I remember that one. I used to work at KB Pharmaceutical, and I was like, why the hell they gonna make some think about food? But that song had to grow on me. So I want to know what this video is about. I know J-Hope, Becky G. I know a little bit about her, but not a whole bunch. So let's just see how this video turned out. And I'm on the street, so if you hear any background noises, just know what it is, okay, y'all? But again, comment, like, and subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Noodle Bay June and Truth Be Told TV Pearl Queen. Okay, so any of my subscribers that's on my Truth Be Told TV Pearl Queen page, please subscribe to my Noodle Bay June channel, because I need all the subscribers I can get. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I got 69 subscribers. I'm gonna need 931 subscribers to go. I got 600 and some people on my Facebook page. Y'all need to be subscribing to my YouTube channel. What in the hell is wrong with y'all, and what in the hell is y'all problem? Okay? Now do that for a sister. Chicken noodle soup. Okay. Oh, let it rain. I remember the dance though. Let it rain. Clear it out. Let it rain. There go J-Ho. Okay. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Hold on, I need your subtitles. What he saying? I gotta go back. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Look at them doggone cars. My favorite color is red. Okay, J-Hope. Go, boy. He always been one of the best dancers. Oh, look at him being a gentleman. No one's left. I like that little where the hell that monster truck come from? Is that real? Hey, hey, go ahead, J-Hope. Hey, he is sexy. Okay. Now I do understand Spanish. I'm not gonna tell you what she's saying. I know she was saying that. I know. I just said I wasn't gonna tell you what she said, but she was saying that ain't nobody flows better than me, better than Becky's. and she was saying, I'm I'm Latin American, but this is and LA is where I'm from, and people think that they know me, but they don't know that I'm freaky, something like that. Papi, I've been listening to this song since it came out yesterday. I just ain't seen the video. Go on, girl. What you gonna do? She's so damn bony. You ain't got nothing to look back at it for what? Okay, the same. Damn, she bony. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. Hold on, let me go back. Okay, they got an Asian in there. White, black, Mexican. Hey, that dude here with the jeans on, he tall as hell. He's a long-legged ass person. This dude right here, the dude right there, the one with the owl shirt on, dang, he tall. He look like I don't know what that look like. Hobie, look at the chicken dog on. Look at that. What's on it? Now let it rain and clear it out. Now let it rain and clear it out. 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 Oh, this, okay. Hobie, look at them dreads. Go, boy. With the soda on the side. Hey, look at the hydraulics. Look at Becky. Go ahead, girl. Chicken noodle soup with the soda on the side. When I said that big ass dog on chicken thing. When it hit nighttime, this remind me of mic drop. Street dancing. Much respect for them giving credits to all the dancers. Okay. Go on, JHOPE. That's the real Harlem Shake. Let it rain. Now see, that I like that. I like that. Now, my thoughts. I love it. I love the video. My thoughts on it would be that when I watched it. Now, excuse me. There's a lot of people, like when I think it was Korea Crush or somebody with some of the controversy on it because it was cultural appropriation. It's not cultural appropriation when you're giving respect and paying homage to the people who did the video originally. There's no cultural appropriation in that video at all. So what? He had jail twists. So what? He had jail twists. Who cares? People in the original video, some of those individuals had dreads. He just showing people that's how they dressed back in the day. Those are the people who mimic the video. I'm doing this to pay respect. I'm not doing it to cultural appropriate something. Can JHOPE and BTS or any other person who look into something, can they do something without everybody throwing up a hissy fit about being cultural appropriated or something? Can people live without people saying that? I'm so damn sick and tired of people always, it's cultural appropriation. It's cultural appropriation. If I'm not mistaken, we have to mimic white people just to get a job. That's not cultural appropriation, but white folks can say the same thing. Y'all cultural appropriating us because you guys are talking properly, you trying to sound white, act white, and everything, and this and that and other. They can say that. But however the case may be, that does not negate the fact that everybody's saying that it's cultural appropriation when it's not. I like the video. I like what it stood for. I like that they paid homage to the original content creators of that. The music video that they did in 2006, they just happened to upload it in 2009 because, YouTube wasn't created until 2005. No, YouTube was created, when was YouTube created? 2005? 2000? It was created some other time. Somewhere around that time. They just didn't upload it until the end. But anyway, that's it for this music video reaction of JHOPE's Chicken Noodle Soup featuring Becky G. And I'm going to talk to you guys later. Now, again, comment, like, and subscribe, and share my music video reaction to JHOPE's Chicken Noodle Soup featuring Becky G. And I want you also to comment, like, and subscribe to my Nuna Bay June channel, okay? This is going on both of them. I'm Truth Be Told TV Pearl Queen, coming at y'all. And this is also Nuna Bay June, coming at y'all to tell y'all peace, love. Keep telling the truth until it hurts. And keep Juning, baby, until you Juned up. All right.